Hello, today we're going to learn about how to solve an equation for y. Why would you want to do this? Well, there are many reasons why you might, but one is it can get an equation into slope-intercept form, which you're all familiar with now. Y equals mx plus b. And if you have the y on its own, you can easily see that m is the slope and that b is the y-intercept. So it can help to do that. Now, please note this method can be used to solve for any variables, not just y. You can solve for x, you can solve for a, you can solve for b, you can solve for any different kind of variable. But in this example, we're going to solve the equation for y. So here's the example. We have negative 7x plus 3y equals 3. And my goal is to get this y all alone, all by itself. So I'm going to rewrite the equation, negative 7x plus 3y equal to 3. Now I like to draw a line. Just switched on me, sorry. I like to draw a line so where the equal sign is, so I keep my two sides separate. Again, I'm trying to isolate the y or get it all by itself. So the first thing I need to look at that's bothering that y is the negative 7x. I never start with the number right in front of the y if there is another term such as this, would be adding or subtracting. So the opposite of a negative 7x is a positive 7x. So if I add 7x to one side, I have to be sure to add it to the other side of the line. Do that here. Negative 7x plus 7x is actually 0x, so I don't need to write that down anymore, but I am still left with that on the left side of the equation with the 3y. The line represents my equal sign, so 3y is the same as 3 plus 7x. Now I'm going to circle the y because that's my goal. I want to get it by itself, and now it's being multiplied by 3. So the opposite of multiplying would be to divide. If I divide this term by 3, I must divide all the other terms by 3 as well. So 3 divided by 3 is actually going to cancel out or give me 1y. I could write the 1, but I usually don't because just writing it here is 1y. My line again means equal. 3 divided by 3 is 1, and I just happen to know that 7 divided by 3 cannot be simplified. But if you're not sure, you can always use your trusty calculator. So 1 plus 7/3 x is the solution for solving this equation for y. Please note that often we write any of the variables first, so you may see people change it to y equals 7/3 x plus 1 because you had the variable come first. All right, so stay tuned and for the next video to see how you could use this to help you solve systems of equations by substitution. Thanks.